Hello and welcome to another GCSE revision video, and in this video we're going to be looking at congruent triangles. Two shapes are said to be congruent if all their sides and all their angles are the same. If two shapes are congruent, then their area, volume and perimeter are the same. Now, how many different straight lines can turn this shape into a triangle? Well, of course the answer is just the one. So by adding this one length, the other two angles are fixed. Now if angle Y were any other angle, the shape wouldn't be a triangle. And if angle Z were any other angle, the shape wouldn't be a triangle. The only way to close the triangle would be to change one of the fixed lengths, or the fixed angle x. So for any triangle, if two lengths and the angle between the two lengths are the same, then the other length must be the same, and all other angles must be the same. And this is called the SAS, or side angle side proof of congruence. That is to say, if you have two sides and the angle in between the two sides, that is enough to prove that two triangles are congruent. Now, can we change any of the angles in this triangle without changing the length of the sides? If we change angle X without changing any of the lengths, then the shape is no longer a triangle. If we change angle Y without changing any of the lengths, then the shape is no longer a triangle. If we change angle Z without changing any of the lengths, then the shape is no longer a triangle. So if all three sides of any triangle are the same length as the corresponding sides on another triangle, that is enough to prove the two triangles are congruent. This is called the side-side-side, or SSS, proof of congruence. Now, can we change any of the unlabelled angles or lengths without destroying the triangle? If we try to change angle X, then we break the triangle. If we try to change one of the lengths, then we break the triangle. If we try to change the other length, then we break the triangle. If we fix angles Y and Z and length C, then we can't change lengths A, B or X without breaking the triangle. By the same reasoning, if we fix length A and angles X and Y, we can't change lengths B or C or angle Z without breaking the triangle. And again, by the same reasoning, if we fix length B and angles X and Z, we can't change lengths A or C or angle Y without breaking the triangle. This is called the ASA, or angle side angle proof of congruence. Now, can we change any of the unlabelled angles or lengths without destroying the triangle? Well, if we change angle X, then we will have to change lengths B and C to keep a triangle shape, but that will result in a change to angle Z, which we're not allowed to do. In fact, if we know two angles of any triangle, the third angle must be 180 degrees minus the sum of the other two angles. If we don't touch angle X, then we can't change either of the other lengths without changing length A or angle Y or Z. This is called the angle side, or AAS, proof of congruence. If one of the angles in a triangle is 90 degrees, then all we need is the hypotenuse and either side to prove congruence. This is known as the RHS, or right angle hypotenuse side proof of congruence. As we've already seen with similar shapes, just having all three angles is not sufficient to prove congruence. Hence, AAA, or angle, 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 is not a valid proof of congruence. Knowing length A and B and one angle that is not in between them is not sufficient to prove congruence. Therefore, side-side angle, or angle side-side, or SSA or ASS, are not valid proofs of congruence. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you're taking your GCSEs this year, my very best wishes. And I'd like to wish you all the best with your revision and all the best with your exams. And I look forward to seeing you in another video.